Okay, we're reviewing this bellaDimora Cordless Brad Nailer tool that's compatible with Dewalt batteries. The battery is not included, so we're going to unbox this. I've already opened the box. Let me go ahead, set this aside, open the box. Here's the tool. First impressions are it looks good, but we're more worried about how it works. They do give you an assortment of brad nails and staples. So here's the instruction manual. I've already loaded some brad nails in here, so I'll go ahead, attach the battery, and we'll give this a shot. I thought I'd show how you load it. You just squeeze this here, it starts to slide back, and you put your whatever you're putting, brad nails or whatever, in here, and then you just slide it shut and latch it like that. It does have a nice positive snap action, and unlike some other models I've used in the past, it does have a very solid latching mechanism. So from that standpoint, I like that part of the unit. Okay, I experimented with one and it drove it nice cleanly all the way in, so I'm going to try to hold it here and show you another one. So we'll put it right next to it here. We'll hold down on it. Bang. That one didn't drive 100% in. It's close. It's a tiny bit up. I did feel that I had a good solid push on it, but we'll try one more here. Hold this bugger down. Same thing, tiny bit up. So only the first one drove smooth. These are up. You would definitely jag your fingers if you ran it across there too hard. So yeah, I don't know. A little bit disappointed with it. This is supposedly a 6 amp hour battery. So we'll try one more here. That one didn't even fire. Okay, that one fired. And that one drove pretty clean. Do one more. Go down here. That one drove clean too. So yeah, I mean, it drove about half of them clean, and the other ones you'd have to follow up with a little hammer. I mean, it's all right. I don't love it, but it's definitely a useful tool. Yeah, I loaded some of the double ones up, so I'm holding down on the trigger, and we're going to go ahead and pop one in on the bump. And yeah, I've already shot 2 of these now. They went in pretty good. This one was tiny bit up, but reasonable. The first one went in nice. Let's just go ahead and hit one more. We'll do it down here. Holding down on the trigger, we're going to bump. There you go, bump. That one drove nice. Yeah, you know what? It's a pretty nice tool.